This is Couples Court with the Cutlers.
Well, Your Honor, I'm here to find out the truth, hopefully, and to see if my husband is still dealing with a woman named Coretta that he was dealing with previously, and also if he is living with another woman.
Mr. Hicks, what do you have to say about that?
No.
No,
Right.
that's no. Okay.
I haven't seen Coretta since I kicked her out 2 years ago.
Have you been in touch with her via text or other social media or other technology?
Yes, I had through Facebook, but it wasn't on that level. Like, you know, it's just been like small talk.
All right, Ms. Hicks, do you believe that?
I don't really know what to believe. He lies a lot. If I can't get the truth, or if it's still infidelity going on, then I'm gonna have to let my marriage go.
This what she do.
Are you considering divorce? Is that what I'm hearing you say?
Yes. I went online and bought I guess it's like a divorce book.
Did you know that?
No.
I do have proof of the receipt and everything for it.
Ron, would you please get that?
Yes, Sean.
So you had no idea that she had done research and was ready to file?
She had said, like, I didn't know she was trying to take it, down that route. I didn't know that.
She has bought a divorce book, A Guide to Doing an Uncontested Divorce. Mr. Hicks, this is serious.
I was trying to get her to understand my standpoint so we ain't have to come to this point.
Do you know Mr. Hicks?
I
Ms.
sure do.
Marion?
All right.
Tell us about that. How do you know him?
I met him about a year or two ago on a website. Never was married, no ring ever in sight. But he came to see me where I was at with their child.
You took your
It's not true, no.
Yes, we went to the mall, having a good old time, me, him, and his
No, we
friend.
didn't.
So did you go visit her and take your child to see her?
Tell the truth. He's
No,
lying.
I did not.
He's lying.
Wow.
How long were you together?
I started messing with him after I got pregnant.
That's not true.
Okay.
We messed around from January to
He's lying.
from December to at the end of December to right before Valentine's Day. After that, I never seen her again.
He's lying.
Miss Hicks, what are you thinking right now?
That's not the story. I got pregnant with my daughter in April. So, like,
And I got pregnant in February.
me and her did communicate. She did tell me that she was pregnant.
I didn't get her pregnant.
But he kept saying right off the bat that that's not his
Excuse
child.
me. When I got pregnant, he was happy. He came to my mother's house, rolling on my belly, saying that he wanted a little girl. And guess what? That's what I had.
And he never told you he was married.
After it came out, because like I said, he had put a picture on him on Facebook. I commented on it. I did say, babe, or, I love you, because, we was at that level, whatever. And she commented on it like, excuse me, I'm his wife, and make a whole little paragraph. Then his friends.
I told her I was married.
Then his friends
and
told
then
him
my
to tell the
mom
truth.
was the one who commented on Facebook.
Okay, his
and
friends told him to go ahead, be real, tell you married. Like, man, okay, I am, but I'm about to get divorced. So like I said, there was no ring ever in sight. And maybe believe him, he picked me up. We drove to their house to go get her and her child. I'm in the front seat, she gets in the back with her child.
You actually picked up your girlfriend with your wife? Did that happen?
Yes, it did.
I pulled up.
did.
What?
But she didn't want to get out the front seat. I kept telling her, like, she
don't
don't want to.
tell me to get out. She stood at the
She
car.
was like, no, if she got to fight me to get this front seat. That's
it
she can't get out.
doesn't
I'm like,
matter
you know
what-
what?
lying.
It
He
doesn't-
can't tell the truth.
Okay,
He's a
you
liar.
have missed the point.
Here's the emoji,
Okay.
sir. I found the text message right here. All them texts is from Terrence. And that little purple emoji is the little eggplant.
Yeah, that's an eggplant all day.
So he ain't, and the date is last week. I was at work. I'm not lying.
Did you
So-
send her an eggplant?
See, look.
Earth,
Look, I
Earth
talk.
to Mr.
Can I-
Hicks.
Okay, look, can I talk? Can I?
Yeah, I want you to talk. I can't
Yeah,
wait
we
to
wanna
hear
hear
you
this.
talk.
Sit back for this
I
one.
was drinking. I was drinking. Right?
Last week,
Yeah.
we were at home with...
I was drinking.
You and
I told
Beyonce.
Kiana about this situation. I said, you know what? I said, Coretta texted me. She almost got me.
You're still cheating. That's cheating.
That's cheating in your mind.
Because if she would have let you would have slept with her.
Definitely would
No,
have.
I wouldn't have. You know that.
If she would have let you, you would have did.
Come on now.
I think
The reason why I even.
I think we've
Okay.
actually
Yeah.
heard enough.
Yeah.
Mrs. Hicks, let me just say this. You are a lovely young lady. And if you were my daughter, I would tell you, you need a good man, a man who's gonna value you and love you and treat you like the queen that you are. You all are married and have one child together, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
But allegations of cheating are tearing your relationship apart. Is that right, Mr. LeBeau?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you have brought your wife here accusing her of, in fact, cheating. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If, in fact, we find out she's cheating, what does that mean?
I have no other choice but to leave her because I can't be anybody's doormat like that. I love her. I love my family. We have a beautiful child together. But like I said, I just can't stand around and just be somebody's doormat like that.
So your life together is at stake based on what we find out today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that, Miss LeBeau?
Yes, Your Honor.
What do you hope to prove today?
I'm here to prove that I'm innocent. It hurts me that he thinks that I would be doing something like that when I'm working for our family and for a better future for us and our child.
Okay, Mr. LeBeau, you see that your wife is saying this is hurting her. Why do you think she's cheating? What are the warning signs? What makes you think that?
The number one thing is her cell phone.
Okay.
She used to keep it by her bedstand at night when it's charging. But over the last few weeks, for some reason, it's been underneath her pillow. It's become almost like Fort Knox to try to get to her phone, and I don't understand why. If she doesn't have anything to hide.
Okay, so Miss LeBeau,
I leave my phone on my charger at night, just like everybody else, next to my head. So if there's an emergency at night, I can hear it. There's nothing being hidden. If you ask, I give it to you. So I don't understand where.
But you don't. That's why you keep it underneath your pillow. The nail in the coffin for me to believe that she's cheating is this video chat thing. So she is a model. She's modeled for a long time. Okay. But a couple days ago, I was playing poker again, and I came home, and she was naked on the couch. And when I come in, she tries to cover up real quick and closes the laptop. If you don't mind, I could actually show you how it kind of happened.
All right, let's see.
So,
You walked in the house, you saw your wife naked on the couch.
Yes.
What was your first thought?
What was your first thought? What would be your first thought?
Because I think most guys would like that.
I mean, I did until she covered herself up and closed the laptop. So she was on the sofa like this.
All right.
She's naked. I walk in.
And what does she do?
She covers herself up and closes the laptop.
So what do you think she's doing?
She said she was taking the modeling pictures, so she left the room. I opened up the laptop, and it wasn't the camera background. It was actually a video chat background.
And so you believe she was having a video chat with another man?
Yes, Your Honor. If she was doing modeling pictures, the backgrounds wouldn't have dirty clothes and dirty dishes. It would be a nice, clean background, you know? What kind of modeling pictures are going to have dirty clothes in?
And it would be on the camera setting, not the video setting?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right.
The day your husband walked into the house and you were naked on the couch, were you video chatting with another man?
No.
All right. What did the forensic voice analysis reveal?
The voice analysis determined that she was being deceptive.
Ms. LeBeau, you were video chatting with someone.
Could have been a photographer that I was working with.
All right, Miss LeBeau, you can play games with Mr. LeBeau, but you don't get to play games with us. Let's go to the next question then.
Since you have been married, have you had physical sexual contact with anyone other than your husband?
No.
What did the analysis reveal?
Your Honor, the voice analysis determined that she was being deceptive.
I have an answer to that one. I
bet you
You don't need to.
No, I got very, very drunk one night, and
You got drunk one night, and then what?
I did get kissed by somebody in the parking lot one night, and I am very apologetic for that.
Did you tell your husband?
No, we got together at a bar, so he can't really say anything.
All right, wait.
And
Mr. LeBeau, I am looking at your face. What is going through your mind as you hear this?
what's going through my mind is we're done. Like, the proof is in the pudding. I deserve better than that.
Me and Kamal, we've been knowing each other for over 20 years. In this incident, Kamal has a problem with social media. He loves to reach out to women. I want to say for booty. And he just have a problem with social media. Any phone that he has, he either going to the laundromat or the library. Anything that has Wi-Fi, he with it. That's just what he do. He just love reaching out to women on Facebook and just trying to make them feel all, like he can be their man or whatever.
Mr. Guilford, I think we're all about free Wi-Fi, but she says you're using free Wi-Fi for some bad purposes.
No, sir. I'm here to clear my name. I be flirting and stuff like that. I'm just here to clear my name and let her know I'm not cheating with you. Well, I never slept with none of these women that I talked to on Facebook. I never did.
Right here, it says, so you mad, didn't want to answer. This is at 7:38. I would think that after the first text message, you would just stop texting. He being thirsty now. He ain't getting no response. He being thirsty. This is 7:38, and I get some more texts. Hello, vanilla ice cream, vanilla ice cream. So we like vanilla ice cream now? Oh, man, this is at 9:05 a.m. He's still being thirsty.
So is that your nickname for her, vanilla ice cream?
That's bad, but at the time.
No.
Is that your nickname for her?
It was at the time.
That's the nickname he gave her, vanilla ice cream. I should have been vanilla ice cream.
All right.
And then he had some more texts. This right here is at 8:12 p.m. So it's like that. So it's like that. I mean, like, why you still being thirsty? You didn't get a response.
Right. So he's being thirsty for a vanilla milkshake.
Yeah, he being thirsty. I mean, as you can see, he's fighting for him. As you can see, he is very handsome. Why you got to keep texting? As you see, he's thirsty. This is at 8:12 p.m. This at night now.
This is at the end of the day. He's still going after her.
Then she finally respond, like, sorry, boo, I'm busy. And I'm wondering, like, okay, this is where to draw the line, you know what I'm saying, for us. Him texting, she responded. I don't know if he slept with her or not. He ain't had no business texting anyway, you know, so.
So why she calling him boo?
That's what I'm talking about, because if it wasn't nothing like that, it wouldn't have been no boo. It would have been, what you texting me for? Especially at that time anyway.
It wasn't nothing like that.
So, Mr. Guilford, that's an interesting question. Why is this person calling you boo? You keep saying it wasn't like that, it wasn't like that. Boo. It was like that because she's calling you boo.
It wasn't. I guess she was liking what I was saying.
Oh, he a real good talker, honey.
I was just conversating. I was gonna never sleep with her or nothing. It was just
no interest in her whatsoever.
She's white. I don't date white women. She's white. I like black women. She's white. I don't date white women.
You asked Mr. Guilford, have you had physical sexual contact with a woman whose credit card Ms. Dozier found in your pocket? What was his response to that question?
He said no, Your Honor.
What did the lie detector determine?
The lie detector determined that he was being deceptive.
Mr. Guilford, this woman whose credit card you had sexual contact with her, didn't you?
Yeah, I had. She gave me oral sex. You didn't believe. Remember I told you?
No,
I did.
you didn't. I asked you. I said, Mal, did you or did you not sleep with her or have anything to do? You said, no, baby, I didn't sleep with her.
I told you about
that. Mr. Guilford, you know, I gotta think, if you had told Ms. Dozier about that, she
ain't gonna
remember.
forget nothing.
She ain't gonna forget that.
She ain't gonna forget nothing.
What's not likely to happen is for her to stand here and say, oh yeah, you did tell me some other woman was on you. I completely forgot about that. That's not gonna happen, Mr. Guilford.